Hi everyone, welcome back to class. Exaware has started hiring for the 2025 graduates. So, if you look at the job description, the job function is engineering, either web or software, and the job profile CTC is 15 lakh per annum. Okay, and the required skills are software development, software engineering, and web development. Okay, and here they have attached a document. If you go through this particular link, you may get full information about this particular job role. Okay, and if you look at the hiring workflow, at first we need to apply for this particular job role, and then once the resume gets shortlisted, we'll be having the group discussion. Once if you clear the group discussion, you will be having the written test. So on clearing the written test, you will be having the two technical interviews. So on clearing the interviews, you will be having the HR interview, and then once you if you clear the HR interview, you will be getting the offer letter. Okay, and if you look at the eligibility criteria, the academic eligibility should be minimum of 75 percentage for the undergraduate student, and minimum of 75 percentage in the class 10th, and minimum of 75 percentage in the class 12th, and there should not be any active backlogs during this particular application. Okay, so these are the criteria that need to be followed by the student. Okay, so I will get you the link in the description box so that you can easily able to apply for this particular job role. Okay, and if you look at the requirements, bachelor's degree in BTech or BE are the students eligible for this particular job role. ME, MTech, MCA students are not eligible for this particular job role. And if you look at the streams, CSE, IT, AI, Data Science, ECE, EEE, ETC, EIE, ISC candidates are eligible for this particular job role. Mechanical, civil, allied branches are not eligible, and a minimum aggregate of 75 percentage or 7.5 CGPA throughout 10th, 12th, and UG are eligible for this job role. And a student should not have any active backlogs, and a person willingness to relocate based on the project requirements to any Exaware delivery location, and a student must be eagerness to learn any technology as per project requirements. And if you look at the work criteria, office based work will be there, and 5 days a week will be there, and a person who got selected for this particular job role need to sign 3 years of service agreement. Okay, so this is the requirement one must look at before applying for this particular job role. Okay, so this is all about today. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.